The world's first keyboard was a game-changer for communication and technology. Let's dive into this fascinating fact. Invented in 1868 by Christopher Latham Sholes, the Sholes and Glidden typewriter featured the first practical keyboard layout, known as the QWERTY layout. This layout was designed to reduce jamming in early typewriters by spacing out frequently used letters, making typing faster and more efficient. The typewriter revolutionized the way people wrote, paving the way for modern keyboards and changing the landscape of communication forever. From typewriters to computers, the keyboard has evolved, but the QWERTY layout remains a staple in our digital age.